Let's pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times together. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Today, I would like to explain 528 kinds of metta. All of you are familiar with those 528 kinds of methods. But some are very new in meditation practice. Although they are reciting Sabbe Saddha, Sabbe Pana, Sabbe Buddha, etc. They don't know how many kinds of metta are there. Do you know? Okay. Now you will understand how many kinds of metta are there. Okay? 528 kinds of metta. First, if you wish to develop loving kindness meditation, metta meditation, you should try to know how to start to practice. In our meditation centers, we teach metta meditation, loving kindness meditation, 528 kinds of mettas. After they have practiced, Anapana, Kasina, 8 minutes. Previously, Evisaraji taught after the practice of Anapana and White Kasina for jhana stage. But now, to have better concentration or deeper concentration, Sayadaw continued to teach all 10 kasina 8 minutes. So now, after the practicing all the 10 kasina 8 minutes, Sayadaw teach loving kindness metta meditations. Okay? Those who are not successful in jhana concentration yet, they can also practice loving kindness meditation generally, okay? To support their main meditation or to be successful in their main meditation. For example, Anapana meditation. From time to time, metta meditation is necessary to practice when they encounter with their main meditation subject. Okay? Especially if their temperament is hatred, dosa temperament, dosa charita, then they cannot practice their respective meditation. For example, Anapana meditation. When they are trying to meditate, when they try to focus on their Anapana meditation object, what happens? Then they get angry. Why? They ask me to cook, something like this. Then what will happen? Then you cannot meditate well, you get angry, pay attention, this kinds of objects. So when you encounter with this kinds of difficulty, then you can develop loving kindness meditation, metta meditation, to remove or to reduce your hatred or dosa. Then you will be able to practice your respective meditation, your main meditation peacefully, successfully. Okay? So, if you have attained Anapana or any kasina up to 4 jhana stage, then you should establish this concentration up to 4 jhana stage. Okay? Especially white kasina or aloka kasina up to 4 jhana stage. When the light of concentration is bright and brilliant, then based on this concentration, you can start to practice loving kindness meditations. Okay? You can start to practice loving kindness meditation. If you have no business concentration, then you can also practice loving kindness meditation generally or partially, or superficially. Okay? Superficially. Actually, the Buddha taught loving kindness metta meditation for apana concentration, absorption concentration. Although you haven't attained absorption concentration, jhana concentration yet, you can also practice loving kindness meditation. No need to worry. Okay? Then how to start to practice? You should try to know the object of loving kindness meditation. Okay? First, understand. Maybe there are 4 persons. Okay? To develop loving kindness. Before practicing 528 kinds of metta. Understand. Atta yourself. Dear persons, dear respective persons. Okay? Dear and respective persons. The person who you like and respect. Okay? Then number 3, Mejjata, neutral persons. You don't like, you don't love. Okay? You don't hate and you don't love. You don't like this person. Then number 4, weary enemy persons. Altogether, how many persons are there to develop loving kindness? 4 persons. How many persons?
4.
Number 1, Atta, yourself. You, yourself. Dear persons. Mejjata, neutral persons. Weary, enemy. Your enemy persons. Okay? Altogether, 4 persons. To develop loving kindness meditation. Also, they must be same sex. Okay? Before attainment of jhana concentration. If you haven't attained, maybe during the Buddha times, those who have the temperament of dosa, hatred, dosa sthita, maybe they may start to practice beginning from loving kindness meditation without basis concentration. If they wish to attain loving kindness jhana, what should they do? What should you do? They should start according to this way. Okay? Atta, you yourself send metta. Okay, if you know the 4%, 4% who are the object of loving-kindness meditations, then you should also try to know the person who are not the object of loving-kindness meditation. Who are they? Although they are same sex, you only just trying to choose the same sex, okay? Male, females. You should try to choose. Then, you should not develop loving kindness towards opposite sex. Okay? Men should not develop loving kindness beginning from women. Women should not develop loving kindness meditation beginning from men, because they are opposites each other. Why? If they develop loving kindness meditation towards opposite objects, okay, opposite objects, what will happen? Then lust, raga will appear. Greed will appear when they pay attention opposite objects. Because of this reason, you should not develop loving kindness meditation beginning from opposite sex. Then you should not also develop loving kindness meditations to those who have already passed away. Okay? If you develop to those who have already passed away, then you are not doing any attainment, any jhana, although you develop for long times. Okay? In the ancient times, one young bhikkhus, he also practiced loving kindness meditation. He is very expert and skillful in loving kindness meditation. Okay? He practiced loving kindness meditation. Then what happened? He remembered his teacher. Then pay attention his teacher as object. Then he developed loving kindness meditation. That time he could not enter into loving kindness jhana. Then he discussed with the other senior monk, senior bhikkhus. Then he suggests, if you cannot enter into loving kindness jhana, you should check the object of loving kindness. What happened? Then when he checked, actually his teacher already passed away. Okay? Because of this reason, although he is skillful in loving kindness jhana, when he take his teacher who had already passed away as object, then he could not enter into loving kindness jhana. Because of this reason, you should not develop the person who have already passed away. Okay? Then another one is you should not also start beginning from dear person or very dear persons. Okay? Dear and very dear persons. Why? There's also one young man. Maybe he came to the meditation center to practice meditation. Then maybe teacher checked his temperament, charita. What kinds of temperament do you have? Then he may say, I am always getting angry. okay, then he have the temperament of hatred. Because of this reason, teacher taught loving kindness meditation to him. Then he also asked how to develop. Okay, you can start to develop. Maybe he developed loving kindness. Atta, Piya, Mejada, Veri, beginning from the dear person. Okay, dear persons. Then he choose dear person, his wife, who remain in his home. Okay, he choose his wife. Then pay attention, his wife smile, food, happiness, good behaviors, and like this. Then he develop love and kindness. Then what happened? Then he cannot concentrate well. Then the whole day he remember his wife, and the attachment strongly appear to him. Then, okay, he can also go to home immediately. That's why the whole night he had the word of the good deed, the whole day, the whole night. Okay? What happened? Because he has the temperament of hate. Okay? Also lust appear. Understand? Then you should not choose his wife as opposite person as well as dear person. So he should not start beginning from dear, very dear persons. So, okay, you can also start, for example, the neutral person or enemy person. When you start beginning from neutral person or enemy person without attainment of jhana, concentration, may this person be free from danger. When you sense metta to them, then you will be tired. Okay? Because of this reason, you should not start beginning from those persons. So you should start beginning from yourself. Atta. How to start? Awiro homi. Just now you recite, no? Awiro homi, abhya pecho homi, aniko homi, sukhi adana, priharami. May I be free from danger. May I be free from mental sufferings. May I be free from physical suffering. May I be well and happy. Okay? In this way, maybe a few times, you can sense love and kindness to yourself. Why? You should start beginning from yourself. Although you send metta to yourself for many times, 100 times, you cannot attain any jhana. Okay? You cannot attain any jhana, love and kindness jhanas. If you cannot attain love and kindness jhana by developing yourself, why should you start? Beginning from yourself to sense metta. In order to identify towards the other beings. Okay? Then you can compare with the other beings. I want to be free from danger. In the same way, the other being also want to be free from danger. Okay? They don't want to experience the sufferings. They want to be happy. They want to obtain happiness, etc. I don't want to experience mental suffering and physical suffering. In the same way, they also don't want to experience mental suffering and physical suffering. In this way, you will be able to identify yourself with the other beings. Then, when you sense love and kindness to the other being, you will be able to sense love and kindness to them easily. Okay? Because of this reason, although you cannot attain jhana concentration by sending yourself. By sending loving kindness towards yourself, you should start loving kindness meditation beginning from yourself. Okay? After sending loving kindness toward yourself for a few times, then you can start to send metta to Piya, Ada Piya, dear persons. Okay? Dear person also, there are two kinds of dear person. One is very dear person, like your mother, your sister, your girlfriends, etc. Another one is a dear respectable person, respectable persons. You respect to this person a lot. For example, your teacher, something like this. The one you admire, okay, also must be the same sex. Then you can sense metta to this person. Okay, how to sense? Again, if you have the basis concentration established up to Vaikasina or Alokakasina Fujana state, then pay attention to this dear respectable persons. For example, one of your teachers. Okay? One of your teachers. Then pay attention he or his or her smiling face or good behavior or happiness. Okay? Then you can start to sense metta to this person. May this person be free from danger. May this person be free from mental suffering. May this person be free from physical suffering. May this person be well and happy. Okay? May they support themselves happily, etc. In this way, you can start to sing. Okay? After you should sense metta to this person by 4 ways, no? Awera hotu, abhyapecho hotu, andiko hotu, sukhi atanan, priharantu. After that, you can choose one of these 4 which you prefer. For example, may this person be free from mental suffering. If you prefer this formula or this way, then you can choose this one. Then only you just sense with this formula, this way. Then you will attain jhana concentration. If you have basis concentrations. If you don't have basis concentration, actually you can also try to develop loving kindness metta meditation until you attain jhana concentration. It is possible, but it may be difficult. Then, if you attain the first jhana concentration, then you can continue to practice second jhana and third jhana concentration, taking the same person as object. In this way, you will be able to attain jhana concentration up to that jhana stage. Okay? Then, if you are successful sending loving kindness to this dear respectable persons up to that jhana stage, in the same way taking another dear respectable person, another dear respectable person, etc. Maybe 5 or 10%, etc. Then you can develop the same way. If you are successful up to that jhana state with this dear respectable person, then taking dear person, very dear person, your mother or your sister, something like that, your girlfriend, then you can also develop loving kindness meditation in the same way. Then you will attain up to the jhana stage. Then also maybe 5 or 10% like this. Then another person is Mejjhata, neutral person. You don't like, you don't like or dislike. Okay, the one you like or dislike. This person you can choose. Then pay attention. This person's smile, face, or happiness, good behaviors. Then you can start to sense love and kindness to this person. In the same way, then you can also attain up to the jhana state in each formula. Also, you can develop love and kindness meditation towards neutral persons up to the jhana state, maybe about 10%. Then when you are successful, love and kindness meditation, love and kindness jhana, taken neutral person as object, then you can move to enemy persons way. Okay? If you have enemy, then what will happen? Then you will get angry with this person. But now you can send love and kindness metta to your enemies. Okay, only just take enemy person, see his or her smiling face or smiling face, or happiness, also good behavior. They also have good behavior, not only good behavior. Okay? For example, they love the precept, the sila, morality. Because of this reason, they are bhikkhu, they are samnira, they are siyali. They maintain 10 precepts, etc. They are good behavior. Okay? Sometimes you can ask them to have. Okay, sure. If possible, they will have. This is their good behavior. Okay? Their smile face. Then you can start to sense love and kindness towards your enemies. Okay? May this person be free from danger. May this person be free from mental suffering. May this person be free from physical suffering. May this person be well and happy. May this person support themselves happily, etc. Then in each formula you can also attain up to the jhana state, although they are enemy person. Okay? Although they are enemy, then you can attain. Then if you have many enemies, then you can send love and kindness to this enemy person. They can one by one as object. Okay? One by one. If you had 10%, send 10%. If you had 100%, okay, you can also send love and kindness to 100 enemies. Okay? Then you can also attain up to the jhana stage in each formula. So, if you are successful love and kindness jhana up to the jhana stage, again 3%. You know, you yourself cannot attain any attainment. But taken dear person, taken neutral person, taken enemy person, then you can attain up to the jhana state. Then if you are successful up to jhana concentration state in each person, then you can start to send yourself dear person, neutral person, enemy person. Okay? Then after you send metta to yourself, dear persons, then another you can move to the neutral person, then move to enemy person. Then yourself, then take another dear person, another neutral person, another enemy person. In this way, you should develop love and kindness meditation towards these 4 persons one by one. Finally, you will break down boundary within those persons. Okay? Whatever person you take as love and kindness meditation objects, then you can easily send metta to those persons. You can also attain up to jhana stage. Okay? Although you cannot attain up to jhana state, okay, because of the power of loving-kindness meditation, then your mind will be happy with those loving-kindness meditation, with this loving-kindness meditation. Okay? Then you can also sense in this way. Then, by developing loving-kindness toward those 4%, one by one, up to jhana attainment, then you will be able to break down boundary or barrier within those percent. You cannot differentiate, this is Diya percent, this is neutral percent, this is inami percent. Because whatever percent, whoever percent you take as object, you can take up to jhana state. That's why you cannot differentiate. Why you are developing loving kindness? Maybe the other time you may be able to differentiate. Okay? Then if you are successful, if you can break down the boundary between those 4%, what will happen? Okay, you can start to sense 528 kinds of matter. Although, for example, those who have no concentration yet, they may not be able to break down the boundary within those percents. Then, how to sense 528 kinds of matter? Okay, no need to worry. Just now you recited Sabbe Sada, Sabbe Bana. You all sense matter to all beings. No need to worry. Then you also have loving kindness meditation. Okay, Bhavana Kusala, merit. Okay, you have loving kindness Kusala. Then you can also develop metta meditation. So how to develop to reach 528 kinds of loving kindness? Okay. Number one, the 12 beings. There are 12 beings. Number two, okay? There are four kinds of developing metta. 10 regions, 10 directions. Okay? Please turn this one. We're gonna turn this one. Okay, here. 12 beings. Who are 12 beings? Just now you recited Sabbe Sada, Sabbe Bana. Sabbe Sada, number one. Sabbe Sada means all beings that have attachment. No? According to the definition. That have attachment. So those beings are Sabbe Sada. So Arahanta don't have attachment, does not have attachment. But when they were ordinary persons, they also have attachment. Okay? Because of this reason, all beings are called Satta, Sabbe Satta. So, Sabbe Satta refer to all beings including Arahanta. Okay? So, Sabbe Satta is all beings. Then number two, Sabbe Bana, all breathe beings, all breathing things. Okay, here. Sabbe Buddha. This one may be 10 different translations. Actually, they are synonyms each other. No? They are the same. Sabbe Bana, all breathing beings. They have in-breath and out-breath. So they are breathing. So all breathing beings are called Sabbe Bana. Number three, Sabbe Buddha. Okay? Sabbe Buddha. All creatures. Okay. Sabbe Buddha means they have karma and defilements, kilesa. Karma and kilesa. All being has their own karma and their defilements. So this Sarve Buddha also refer to all beings, all creatures, the same. Beings and creature, they are synonymous. Okay, in English also, Pali also the same. Only according to the definition, you can pay attention to those beings. Okay, Sarve Buddha, Sarve Pokala, all individuals. Okay, individuals, all individuals. Sarve Pokala be Pokala. Okay, individual. Actually, Pokala, Omkala. Pu me refer to head, nirya. Kala me go to the head. So who have been gone to the head? So now you are a human being. Actually, you have visited the head many times in the past. Okay? For example, noble persons, they will never fall into the fourfold state. But they also visited to the hell in the past. Okay? Because of this reason, all beings are individual, Pokalas, no? All beings are Pokala. So Sarve Pokala, all individuals. Sarve Adabhava Priyapana, number 5. Saying all suffer. Body beings. Okay, this one, all beings with 5 aggregates. You can also say like this. All beings with 5 aggregates. Okay? Then you also have 5 aggregates. The other being also have 5 aggregates. But, you know, for example, Asanya Satta Brahma, they only have 1 aggregate. Then Arupa Brahma only have 4 aggregates. But in the past, they also have 5 aggregates in the realm of samsara. Because of this reason, they are also included in this number 5. Sarve Adabhava Priyapana. So you only just pay attention all beings. Okay? The same. According to the definition, you can pay attention. So altogether 5. Okay? These 5, number 1 to number 5, these 5 are the object of love and kindness in general. Okay? Unspecified. Okay? Unspecified. Unspecified, you cannot differentiate men or women. Okay? Noble person or non-noble person, something like this. You can pay attention all beings together. So, okay, these 5 are the object of love and kindness, meditation in general, unspecified. Then, number 6. Sabha Etiyo, all women. All females. Okay? All females. You only just pay attention all females. Don't pay attention to the men or the male. Okay? Although you are men, in this case, you can also pay attention all women as loving kindness meditation object. Okay? Previously, you know, when you send loving kindness towards individually, one by one, you cannot pay attention different sex as loving kindness meditation object. But now you can pay attention because you have already attained jhana. If you haven't attained jhana, okay, you can also pay attention maybe all females. Don't pay attention one by one, okay? They're a little bit dangerous. Then Sabbe Purisa, all men, all males. Okay, you can also pay attention all males, not only human beings, also deva, animals, all males. Okay, all men, you can pay attention. The number 8, Sabbe Ariya. Sabbe Ariya. All noble ones here. Okay, all noble beings. All Ariya persons. Then you can also pay attention to all Ariya persons. For example, you may not know who are Ariya person or noble person. Then you can guess all, for example, among the human beings. Especially, you can pay attention to the Deva or Brahma. For example, the Saka, our devotee Saka and some many noble persons are in the Devara. Also, Sodawasa Brahma Ram. You know, Sodawa in the Sodawasa Brahma Ram, only Anagami and Arahanta person. There's no ordinary person, no Putojana person. Then you can pay attention towards this Brahma as noble persons. Also including Deva and human beings. Okay? Sabbe Anariya, all non-noble ones here. You can also pay attention all Putojana, ordinary persons. Okay? You can pay attention easily, there are many. Okay? Many human beings or many beings in the lower stage, full state, they all are, maybe in the lower state, full state, they all are ordinary persons, no noble person there. Okay? Yeah, you can not only those persons, you should also pay attention human being, ordinary Deva, ordinary Brahmas. Okay, Putojana Brahma. So pay attention those ordinary persons, you can also send loving kindness to things. Then, Sabbe Deva, all deities, all Devas. You can pay attention all Devas and Brahmas together here. Okay? Sabbe Manusa, all human beings. Okay, it's very clear, very obvious. You only just pay attention all human beings. If pay attention their happiness, their smart face, their good behavior, you can sense loving kindness to them. Then number 12. Sabbe Vinipatika, all beings in the full stage. All beings in the realm of suffering. Okay? Sabbe Vinipatika. Vinipatika refer to all beings from the full state. Okay? Vinipatika, they fall into the full state like this. This me. Then you only just pay attention. Okay? Their happiness, their good behavior, their smile face. Do you think they have smile face? Their happiness? Less happiness, but you should also send better to things. Okay? How to sense? Sabbe Satta. Number 6 to 12 altogether 7%. Those 7% are the object of loving kindness meditation and individual or specified. Okay, they are specifying beings for loving kindness meditation. Sabbe Satta, Sabba Aitio, or only just female. Sabbe Buddhisa only just male. So they have specification. Okay, because of this reason, those 7% are specific persons to develop loving kindness meditation. Okay? So altogether 12 beings. Okay? 12 group of beings. To sense loving kindness. Then how to sense loving kindness? For example, beginning from Sabbe Satta. Sabbe Satta, there are also 4 ways of sending loving kindness. What are the 4 ways? You can see here. These are 4 ways. 4 kinds of development methods. 4 ways here. Number 1, Awira Hontu here. Sabe Sada, you only just pay attention all beings. Then Awira Hontu, may all beings be free from danger or empty. Okay? May all beings be free from danger. Okay? Then continue to say number 2. Awira Abhya Beja Hondu, may all beings be free from mental sufferings. Okay? Then only just pay attention Sabe Sata. Number 3, Anika Hondu, may all beings be free from physical sufferings. Number 4, Sukhi Adana Priharantu, here, Sabe Sata, Sukhi Adana Priharantu, may all beings take care of themselves happily, or may all beings be well and happy. Or you can sense loving kindness to all beings in this way. Okay? There are 4 ways. So you should send maybe 1 or 2 times with these 4 ways. After that, you can choose 1 or these 4 which you prefer. For example, you prefer this one or this one, you can choose. For example, here, may all beings be free from mental suffering. Then you can only sense metta to all beings by this formula, this way. Then you will attain the first jhana. When you attain the first jhana, you can continue to practice the second jhana up to the jhana state with this formula or this ways. Then when you are successful up to jhana concentration with this way, then you can continue to develop with the other remaining ways. For example, here, with this way also up to the jhana, with this way also up to the jhana, with this way also up to the jhana state. So you will attain up to the jhana state with 4 ways. So 4 kinds of development methods. Okay? How to develop? You can start beginning from the monastery. Only just pay attention to the being in the monastery. Sabe Sata. Okay? Then Awira Hondu, Abhya Beja Hondu, etc. In each way up to the jhana state. If you are successful, then you can expand, for example, 2 monasteries, 1 village, 1 Myanmar, then all Asia. Okay. Then together with your country, then the whole world up to infinite universe. In this way, you only just pay attention all beings in the infinite universe. Okay? Then you can sense metta to all beings. Then you will attain up to the jhana state with each formula, each way. If you are successful, in loving kindness jhana, then you, in the same way only, you can also sense metta to all breathing beings. Yeah, Sabipana. Okay, Sabipana, Awira Hondu, Abhya Beja Hondu, Anika Hondu, Sukhi Adana, Priharandu. You can also take up to jhana concentration stage. Okay? In each jhana, there's a 1 way, there's a 1 way, there's a 1 way, there's a 1 way. If you are successful with Sabipana, then you can also send metta to Sabbe Buddha, all creatures, all all with visible body. Okay, visible body, okay, and send metta to those persons by these 4 ways. Sabe Pokala by this 4 ways. Sabe Adabha Priyabana by these 4 ways. Okay, in this way up to 12 beings, all together 12 beings, 12 persons by these 4 ways. Okay, so 12 beings multiplied by 4 ways. So how many kinds of metta are there? Here, 48 kinds of metta. Okay, you get 48 kinds of mettas. Just now you already sent metta to all those beings, 12 beings by these 4 ways. Then you have 48 kinds of metta already. Then how to get 228 kinds of metta? Continue here. Yeah. There are 10 directions, 10 regions, 10 directions. What are the 10 directions? Prati, Maya, desire. Okay? Prati, Maya, desire, easterly direction. East, the east directions. Okay? Prati, Maya, desire, the east directions. Then another one. Okay, I will explain beginning from the east direction first. Then you only just try to pay attention all beings from the east directions. Okay, and only just east direction. You don't need to pay attention the other directions. Okay. Prati, Maya, desire, Sabbe, Satta. Okay, Sabbe, Satta, Avera, Hondu, Abhyabecha, Hondu, Amiga, Hondu, Sukhi, Adana, Priharandu. Then you will also attain up to jhana concentration state, up to the jhana stage. Okay? In the same way, Prati, Maya, desire, Sabbe, Pana, Avera, Hondu, Abhyabecha, Hondu, Amiga, Hondu, Sukhi, Adana, Priharandu. In this way, you can develop metta. Then you can also attain up to the jhana stage in each ways. Okay? Then Prati, Maya, desire, Sabbe, Buddha, Sabbe, Pokala, up to 12 beings with 4 ways. Then you will also attain up to the jhana stage. So altogether, how many kinds of metta are there in each direction? How many? 48. Okay? 12 beings, 4 ways, the same, only in each direction. So may all beings in each directions be free from danger, be free from mental suffering, be free from physical suffering, be well and happy, so you can also attain up to jhana concentration stage. And only each direction there are 48 kinds of metta, loving kindness, jhana. Okay, metta. Okay, you can only use jhana, metta. Then in the same way, if you are successful loving kindness meditation in each direction, then you can also start the other direction. Number 2, Pachi, Maya, desire, the west direction. Sabbe, Satta, up to Sabbe, Vinipatika, with these 4 ways. So you will also attain metta, jhana. Then you have 48 kinds of metta in west direction. Then number 3, Udraya, desire, the north directions. Dakinaya, Tisaya, the south directions. Number 5, Prati, Maya, Anuti, Zaya, southeast directions. Prati, Maya, Anuti, Zaya. No? Then number 6, Tichi, Maya, Anuti, Zaya, northwest directions. Number 7, Udraya, Anuti, Zaya, northeast direction. Number 8, Dakinaya, Anuti, Zaya, southwest directions. Number 9, Heti, Maya, Desire, downwards directions. Okay, downwards directions. Under the ground. Okay. Number 10, Upri, Maya, Desire, upward directions, above all directions. Then 12 beings in each direction. You can send loving kindness towards all beings in each direction. Okay, 10 direction by these 4 ways. So in each direction there are 48 kinds of metta. So altogether 10 directions. So how many kinds of loving kindness are there? Here, 480 kinds of loving kindness. Okay, 10 direction, 12 beings multiplied by 4 ways. 12 directions, 12 beings multiplied by 4 ways, you get 48 kinds of metta. Then you can also 48 kinds of metta multiplied by 10 directions. Then you get 480 kinds of mettas. Okay? So how many metta? With regardless directions, you get 48 kinds of metta. Regarding to 10 directions, you get 480 kinds of mettas. So combined together, what will happen? So 528 kinds of mettas. Oh, okay. Here, 12 beings multiplied by 4 ways, then you get 48 kinds of metta. Then 48 kinds of mettas multiplied by 10 directions. Then you get 480 kinds of mettas. Okay? Then combine together 48 without directions, 480 with 10 directions. So combine together, then you get 528 kinds of loving kindness metta. Oh, finish. So just now you recite, okay, the loving kindness meditation, Savi, Satta, etc. Then you have 528 kinds of metta. If you have 528 kinds of metta, you have no enemies. You still have enemy? Okay, then if you still have enemy, then your metta is not successful yet. You should try to sense metta. Though if you sense metta to all beings, okay, they briefly explain the benefits of loving kindness. Only just briefly, not in detail. If I explain with the story, it will take long times. I don't know, later. Okay? Oh, yeah. Okay, number 1. If you sense loving kindness to those beings every day, what will happen? Sukhans, you will obtain 11 kinds of benefits. Okay? Number one, Sukha and Supati. Here, Sukha and Supati, you can sleep happily, peacefully. You know, you can sleep peacefully. Some they inform, they say, one day I cannot sleep peacefully at night, something like this. They don't sense metta to all beings. That's why they cannot sleep easily. Okay? Then if you sense metta to all beings, because of the power of metta meditation, you will be able to sleep peacefully, happily. Okay? One sleep happily, peacefully. Sukha and Supati. Number two. Sukha Pati Bhojati, one wakens happily. You can also wake up, you can also get up happily. Okay, they have that gone. Then what happened? You still want to sleep. You still want to continue to sleep. You don't want to wake up. So you roll your body here and there. You turn your body here and there. Don't want to, not like this. If you sense love and kindness meditation, then as soon as they have the gone, you automatically wake up happily. So if you are still sleeping when they have the gone, then your metta meditation is not successful. Also, or maybe you don't develop love and kindness meditation. Okay? Then number 3. Nas Pavakan Subinam Pasati. One since no evil dreams. When you sleep at night, what happens? You dream a lot of dreams, bad dreams. Okay? You have a lot of bad dreams. Why? You don't develop love and kindness meditation. If you develop love and kindness meditation, metta meditation, because of the power of metta meditation, although you haven't attained jhana concentration state yet, then no need to worry, you will never dream evil dream. Okay? Evil dream. Then maybe you will dream good dreams. For example, you pay respect to the Buddha, you offer candlelight or food to the Buddha, Sangha, etc. You are meditating, you are studying Buddha's teaching, something like this. You may dream, but good dreams, not bad dreams, evil dreams. Okay? The number 4, Manosana Piyohoti. One is dear to human beings. Okay? If someone experiences many enemies, if you have many enemies, then what happens? That means you don't develop metta meditation. Then you have many enemies who want to disturb you. Sometimes actually because of you have no metta meditation, no metta. Because of this reason, you have many enemies. Not because of the other person. So you have no metta. Okay? Then if you sense love and kindness to all beings, what will happen? Then you will have many persons who are dear to you. Who are dear. So many human beings, many persons dear to you because of the power of love and kindness meditation. If you want their love, then you should also send love and kindness meditations. You should also develop love and kindness meditation by this way. Okay? Then another one, number 5. Amnosana Piyohoti. One is dear to non-human beings, Yaka or Deva, etc. No? Yaka or Deva. Then they will like you, they will love you. Okay? They are very dear to you. There's one story. There's one story. I have told this story many times here, I think. I don't know, I forget already. Visakha. Actually, he is from the India country, Pataliputra. He is also a rich person. One day, he relinquished all his works to his families. Then he went to Sri Lanka country. Then when he reached Sri Lanka country, he continued to do his business. He is very expert in doing the business. That's why he got a lot of wealth in the Sri Lanka country. But the purpose of going to Sri Lanka country is to practice meditation. During this time, Sri Lanka country was very famous in the meditation practice. So he went to Mahavihara monastery to ordain as bhikkhus. Then he ordained as bhikkhus. He was ordained as bhikkhus. Then he also studied Buddha's teachings for 5 years, especially Vinaya. Then he know Vinaya, he can memorize 2 Patimokkha's, Prematika. Then he also know how to practice meditation, etc. Then he also emphasized in one meditation practice. Okay? Especially maybe metta meditations. His metta meditation is successful. He also attained metta jhana. Then he went to many places to practice meditation. But he only stayed for 4 months in each place. He will not stay for more than 4 months. Okay? And this way, he moved from one after another. Okay? From place to place, from monastery to monastery, he moved many times after 4 months staying. Then one day, he went to Chaitanya monastery. Chaitanya monastery, Situ Babwa. Nowadays they use Situ Babwa mountain monastery. Now only only the stone cave remain there. Not so much monastery there now. Then he also stayed in this monastery for about 4 months. Especially he practiced loving kindness meditation in this monastery. Then after 4 months, he prepared to leave from this monastery. Then what happened? Then Deva cries in front of him. Okay, Deva who lived in the tree nearby Eskuti. Then he asked, why you are crying? That day, when you leave from this monastery, we will be fighting each other, we will be quarreling each other again. Before you came to this monastery, okay, before you arrived this monastery, then we were also fighting each other, we were also quarreling each other. So Deva are also quarreling each other. Deva are also fighting each other, not only Indian, not only Siali. Okay? Then, because of this reason, they request, okay, if you have benefits, if you are beneficial because of my staying here, then I will continue to stay another 4 months. Then he continued to stay another 4 months there. Then after 4 months, he also prepared to leave from this monastery. Then they were crying again. Then when he asked question to those Devas, they also answered the same answer. Then because of compassion, then he continued to stay another 4 months. In this way, whenever he prepared to leave from this monastery, they were crying a lot. Then finally, he take Prinivana in this monastery. He could not leave from this monastery. Okay? This is the example. Many people non-human being. No? One is dear to non-human beings, Deva or Yaka, or dear to them. Okay? And number 6, Devata Rakhanti. One is protected by the Devas. Okay? Then you have no dangers because of Deva are protecting you when you develop loving kindness meditations. Okay? And number 7, Nasa Ediwa Wisamwa Satanwa Kamati. When you develop loving kindness meditation, you will not encounter, you will not experience fire. Okay? You will not poisons cannot harm you. Poisons. And also weapons cannot affect you. Okay? And fire, poison and weapons cannot harm you, cannot affect you. They can nobody can disturb with those kinds of weapons. Okay, because of loving kindness meditation. Okay, there's also a story, but I will not tell later. Then number 8. Tuvadan Jaitan Samadhi, one's mind is quickly concentrated. Because of this reason, I also encourage you to develop loving kindness meditation. And then I cannot concentrate on the breath work, very difficult to concentrate, something like this. Okay? At the time, okay? As far as you can, you should practice Anapana meditation. If you have difficulty with Anapana meditation, from time to time, you can also develop loving kindness meditation. Because of loving kindness meditation, you can also easily attain concentration. Okay? This is also one benefit of loving kindness meditation. Okay? One's mind is quickly concentrated because of loving kindness meditation. Then if you wish to attain concentration, then you can also develop loving kindness meditations. Then number 9. What is Mukha Vana Vipassitati? Number 9. Once facial complexion brightens up, your face is very bright and very clear. Okay? The complexion of your face, okay, will be bright, will be clear because of loving kindness meditations. Then number 10. Asambolo kalang karoti. One pass away unconfused. One pass away unconfused. When you develop loving kindness meditations, okay, you can die peacefully. Okay? Otherwise, what will happen if you have no Dhamma? Not sure. On the bed, you will be shouting. Okay? You will see, for example, an ugly object, something like this. At the near that moment, then you will shout. Not like this. Because of loving kindness meditation, when you develop loving kindness meditation fully or many times, then you only just going to sense metta to all beings, and then you can peacefully die. You can quietly die. Okay? Unconfused dying. Then number 11. Ordinary Apati Vajjanto Brahma Lokupako Odi. If one fails to penetrate further into Nibbana, one is reborn into the Brahma world. For example, now you are practicing concentration. To practice Vipassana meditation, for realization of Nibbana. You are also practicing metta meditation. Okay? To practice Vipassana meditation based on metta concentrations. You can also practice. Okay? And then do metta jhana based on metta concentration. Then you can develop, you can practice Vipassana meditation. You can contemplate those jhana dhamma or sankhara formation as anicca, dukkha, anatta. Then there will be for the purpose of Vipassana meditation. Okay, metta concentration will be for the practice of Vipassana meditation. Then you can also attain Nibbana. If you don't attain Nibbana in this life, what will happen? You can also reborn in the Brahma world. Better, you can attain better, you can attain better life, you can obtain better life. Okay? Then near the moment you only just enter into metta jhana, then you will reborn in the Brahma realms according to your metta jhana skill. Okay? Metta jhana skill. Then you will get better life. Okay, these are the benefits of loving kindness meditation. So altogether 11 taught by the Buddha in the Anguttara Nikaya. So by developing loving kindness meditation, may they be free from free from danger, may you be free from mental suffering, may you be free from physical suffering, may you be well and happy until you attain Nibbana. Okay, you understand? 528 kinds of metta. Okay? Okay. Now already nearly 1.5 hours. Then, do you have any questions? Very short question answer only. Do you have any questions? Yeah.
In Dhammapada saw the Umatanti, and then the king Udena want to kill her. So why they cannot kill her?
Because of power of metta meditation. Samavadi.
Because they were or because the power of
Power of metta meditation also. They cannot harm the poison snake, poison weapon. You know, cannot affect poison. Sorry. Here number 7. Fire, poison. They also trying to burn. Okay, burn them by fire, but they cannot. They also trying to kill with the arrow, something like this, and bow. Then they cannot, because of power of metta meditation. The Samavadi is also the superiors, the most superior person in the loving kindness metta jhana. The most superior person, the most superior person. She is the best person in loving kindness meditation like this, and lay persons.
But she died before the Mahatma that he burned the village.
That's because of the past karma. Although she can prevent the weapon by sending loving kindness to Udena king, but finally she also passed away because past karma. In the past, they burned the Wampachika Buddha together. Because of this karma, they also passed away by fire then. Okay? Past karma.
Religious expresses benefits. One of them is dear to non-human beings, and Deva and whoever. I don't want to be dear to non-human beings. I don't want to be dear to. Okay, non-human beings, Deva is okay, but non-human beings like dog, all these creatures, all these people stay in the world who say animal. I don't want to be dear to them. So now here is one of the benefits is to be dear. I don't want to be dear with those.
Number 5, do you mean?
Yeah, number 5, yeah.
No need to worry. If they are not dear to you, then they will disturb you. If they are dear to you, then they will help you. Like human beings. For example, a human being, they like you, then they will help you. They don't like you, they will disturb you. Okay?
When we do the chanting Metta Bhavana, so when we direct, do we have to direct our mind to the direction, for example, to the north, to the south?
Sure. You are reciting Purati Maya, Desire, okay? Purati Maya, Desire, Prachi Maya, Desire. When you are reciting Purati Maya, Desire, only you just pay attention Purati Maya, Desire, okay? Prachi Maya, Desire, you only just pay attention the west direction, like this, according to the Pali words. Sabbe Sada, you only just pay attention all beings, Sabbe Bana, all breathing beings, like this. Sabba Ekyo, all females. Sabbe Purisa, all males, etc. Okay? When you are reciting love and kindness chanting, metta chanting. Okay?
So why is it impossible to obtain Pausana based on Metta Bhavana?
Metta Bhavana.
Why?
Why you cannot attain the 4 jhanas me? Because of metta associated with the somanasa awareness, not neutral feeling, dukkha awareness. 4 jhana associated with neutral feelings. Adosa. Okay? Then enough. Enough? Okay, so we should share our merits to all beings. Repeat after me. Okay, here. Idame punya asawakaya aham hotu idame punya nibbanasa Jayo hotu mama punya bhagan sabha sadhana bhajemi